Got some parts for a yzf750 we're gonna be doing next. It's not a whole bike, just got some damage on it here and there, but that's what we're gonna be doing next. Before I start sanding, priming, and painting, I always take photos exactly where the decals are, especially on this because they're all OEM decals. That way it just gives me a good reference, and I thought I'd put them on in case you're restoring one and it doesn't have any of the original decals on it, then you'll know exactly where they go. So this is a major problem usually when you take the stickers off. It leaves all this residue on. So this is what I try to use first. Just spray it on. Then you gotta wait a few minutes, then you can start taking it off. You usually just get a Bondo squeegee. Start scraping it off. It's still leaving some behind. You want to start off with something like that because it's not too harsh. A lot of these bikes, the paint was lacquer. So if you use lacquer thinner, it'll actually just eat into the paint. So sometimes I just get it off as good as I can and then just actually sand it. Got it all sanded down with 320 and all the scratches came out. So actually we're not gonna have to use any filler at all. There's just a little bit right there. I need to do just a little more. There was enough material on it that I was able just to get it with the 320. Primer will take care of anything else. It's a pearl, so I'll have to put 3 coats of this on and then I'll start putting the pearl on. Ready to start putting the pearl on. Coats of pearl, then we'll get it all cleared up. Time to put on some clear. put one more coat on. Got the decals done on one of them. Ready to head over to the other one. Got the yzf750 all done. It's not regular white, it's got a pearl in it. Actually, that's the paint code right there, BWC1. Kind of cool because this is for the guy that owns Hobart Cycle. I grew up in Illinois, he owns a motorcycle shop there. He always had the cool bikes, and he bought one of these brand new. One of the reasons why I got one is because he bought that bike and it was so cool. And he ended up getting rid of it, which was kind of weird because he doesn't usually ever sell anything that he owns. But when he did, he got a brand new R1 when they came out in '98. And he found this one and decided to get it and add it back to his collection. So this isn't a paid promotion, but I'll go ahead and put his website to his shop at the end of this video. Stop by and check his website out. If you can leave a message, say you saw his bike parts that M Motorcycles painted.